Principal Karen Powell of the Whitfield Primary School collapsed on the school compound and died. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Whitfield Primary School community has been plunged into mourning following the sudden death of its principal, Karen Powell, on Friday afternoon. Ms. Powell collapsed, and despite the swift response of the school staff and medical team when she arrived at the medical facility, she passed away. The board of Whitfield Primary and Infant School in Kingston says that the Education Ministry will assist in appointing an acting principal as soon as possible to ensure that the institution continues to function. He noted that for now that administrators are focusing on providing psychological support to students and staff during this difficult mourning period. Links 007 TV News will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.